Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Apex Legends packet loss, high ping, stuttering, jittering, and more. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to go and search and write create a restore point. Then select a create and then name it as what you like to name it. In my case, it will be Apex Legends. So if something went wrong, you can always go back here and basically restore your settings before you change something. And to do so, once the restore point is created here, I will show you what you need to do here. So press system restore, choose a different restore point, press next, and then select the restore point and complete setup here, and your settings will be restored. So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here, you need to write view network connections. Then here you will see your internet connection and maybe some other options. So what I suggest to do here is to disable all the options that you don't use. So you just need to right click on it and then a disable button will be here. I have enabled because I disable it, but for you it should be disabled here. Then what you need to do is to just right click on your internet connection, go to properties, then here make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 only options enabled here, and disable everything here. Then go to configure, press yes, press power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer only option available for you. Then go to advanced and then here you need to copy my settings. So first advanced EE and RIP offload should be disabled. EE max support speed, leave it as this. Energy efficient, flow control, gigabyte light, green ethernet and internet in moderation should be disabled. IPv4 checksum offload and jumbo frame with large send offload, V2, IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled as well. Network address not present. Then NS offload disabled, power sync mode disabled, priority VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, leave it as this. Shutdown wake on LAN disabled, speed and uplinks, make it highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers, leave it as this. Then UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled as well. VLAN ID, leave it as this. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match should be disabled. And WOL shutdown and link speed, leave it as this and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to right click on your internet connection, go to properties, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then change DNS server addresses. For me, Cloudflare, the DNS servers is working the best, but for you, it may be different. So first you need to test it out. And to do so, just open up CMD, run as admin, and then you need to put Google. First, I will put Google DNS servers, and then I will put Cloudflare's. So you just need to write ping 8.8.8.8 and look what on average MS you are getting. In my case is 8 MS, and if I put second Google DNS server, which is ping 8.8.4.4, on average I'm getting, as you can see here, 7 MS. Now if I put Cloudflare's here, ping 1.1.1.1, on average, as you can see, I'm getting 3 MS. And if I put second Cloudflare DNS server ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4 MS. So for me, Cloudflare is better, so I'm using it, right? So just put basically Google or Cloudflare with which one is working for you better, apply the changes, restart your computer, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then what you need to do here, what I basically advise you to do is to install exit lag. It has, I believe, 3 days free trial. So if you have a bad connection, you can use this. And click the link below and basically sign up through me. And for that, I will get a small commission. And I believe if you buy something, you will get discount as well. And to set up, if basically Apex Legends is working with ExitLAN better for you, what you need to do here is to go to library, then look for Apex Legends, then select a server, select the closest to you here, for me is Europe, and then you just need to apply routes and run the game and look if you're getting better results with it or not. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I help you out, please press like.